I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to receive money on Saxo Bank, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Saxo Bank account using your credentials. Make sure you're using a secure network to protect your information. Step 2. Navigate to the funding section. Once logged in, find the funding or deposit section in the main menu. This is where you can manage all your money transactions. Step 3. Select Receive Money. In the funding section, look for the option labeled Receive Money or similar. Click on it to proceed with the transaction. Step 4. Enter recipient details. Fill in the required details for the recipient, including their account number and bank details. Double check for accuracy to avoid any delays. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you miss the confirmation step, you might not receive updates about your transaction status. Happy banking!